Shalom UTBDs, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a photo shoot day. I just wanted to take you guys along and show you guys what it looks like to do photos. I have Chris with me, of course, and yeah, so I want to show you guys kind of how shots look, different ideas for poses, all that good stuff. So if you enjoy these kinds of lifestyle vlogs, be sure to give this one a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. It's so cold. I'm really cold. So in this photo shoot, it actually was Chris's idea. So thanks, Lev, for being the man behind the camera. We have lots of really awesome, wow, don't mind this, but we have really awesome fall colors happening here in Colorado, so might as well take advantage. And here we did take a few different outfits so that I could change into it, different makeup items, just to give more texture to some of the photos. Chris said we already took like 200?
240 is what we're at so far.
240.
The second outfit.
So those are all of my clothes in the back. Don't they look so cared for? Clothes, chilling. But we found this spot and we're going up a little bit. So we figured we could try this, and I might put my red lip on. So we found this really pretty spot. One thing, if you're gonna take photos outside, you gotta get over being embarrassed. All these people are looking at me. You just have to deal with it. You also get to walk in some really great terrain and heels, so you know, you gotta be flexible. Chris was explaining a little bit of like just the shot variation, you just try a bunch of different stuff. You try different poses, you try different angles of the camera, different backgrounds, different outfits, all of the things, until you get what you like. And hopefully you took enough that you have some that you like. Never thought I'd be hiking in heels up a hill, but it's fine, we did Half Dome, so this is nothing. But I think this background is going to be really pretty. Look at that husband getting in the trees. It's a really pretty spot up here. My vlog camera here has gotten a very nice close relationship with the ground and the earth because there's nowhere else to set it out here. Oh, I almost fell. Are you coming with me?
I'm gonna walk on the trail.
Oh, that's a better idea. Don't walk in this stuff. It'll be fine. Everything's fine. Fall will fix everything. Help me, please. Ah! Yeah. Ooh, got it. So now we're on an actual trail here. So hopefully no bikers run this way. Drive, bike this way.
I think they're all headed out.
Colorado never ceases to amaze me. So pretty. This is a great time of year to visit national parks if you live in a state that the leaves change. You don't want to miss out. All right, we're on to the last area. There's a little barn that we have hiked to here before that we want to hike to, and it's a meadow. It's pretty awesome. It's a popular hiking day, as you can see, because of the colors, because of the aspens, because of the way they are.
Yeah.
We just finished up with the footage, going through some of the photos. I think we got some really good fall pics. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. If you guys enjoyed seeing how we created shots, getting different ideas, and just enjoying the Colorado fall scenery, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want more videos like this. I'm really into the idea of doing these kinds of photo days on really pretty days here in Colorado. Winter, fall, spring, summer, any of those. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.